Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on Realist, your public records database that seamlessly integrates with your MLS listing platform. In this short video, we'll do a high-level overview of some key Realist features. Whether integrated into CoreLogic's matrix listing system or any other industry listing platform, Realist allows you easy access and insight into all aspects of a home. Sales, mortgages, foreclosures, trends, demographics, MLS listing data, and of course taxes and assessments are all available at your fingertips. Let's take a quick look at the Realist interface and show you how to access everything Realist has to offer. Once you navigate from your listing platform into Realist from a listing or just into the Realist homepage, you'll see a simple, easy-to-use interface split into three parts. Search at the left, and the map and the list are at the right. Each of these sections can be hidden or shown using the split, map, or list selections at the top right of the screen. Or simply click and drag on the gray bar in the middle of the screen to show more or less of the map or the list. Even the search section can be hidden. Easily search for properties using the various search attributes on the left of your screen. Use the Quick Search tab to search for homes by owner, address, listing number, or tax ID or assessor's parcel number. Or use the My Search tab to create and save your own custom searches to find only the properties with specific characteristics that you're interested in. When performing a search, properties are returned both on the list and on the map at the right using markers that indicate the listing status of the property. As you can see, the list includes a card view that gives a thumbnail view of your search results. Just click the Cards View or Table View icons to switch between views. Customize the cards by clicking on the Customize Cards button in Card View. Let's switch back to a list view for a moment. And customize the list either by clicking and dragging columns to their desired location, or even add or remove columns using the Customize Table button. Sort data in the columns by clicking on the arrows at the top of each column, either ascending or descending. Also found at the bottom of the list is the ability to create mailing labels and export property data into spreadsheet programs as well. Realist is an excellent tool for agents to market to potential clients. Just click the Reports button to pull up a property detail report. This report is where you'll find ownership information for the property, location information, taxes and assessments, physical characteristics, a propensity to sell score, an AVM, and listing, sales, and mortgage information, as well as foreclosure information too. The property detail page is truly Realist's flagship report and contains virtually everything you need to know about any property. To access additional reports, just click the tabs up top. Let's start with the comp report. An added bonus of using Realist public records data to drive the report is that a Realist comp report can even find comps that haven't sold through your MLS. The neighbors report will show information about nearby neighbors surrounding your subject property. Here you can see a map of nearby neighbors and a comparison chart below. The Neighborhood Profile Report shows demographic data from the U.S. Census, as well as information on schools and businesses in the area. And each and every report can be customized to your own personal view as well. Static assessor maps and flood maps round out the rest of the reports offered via Realist. Please note that not all reports shown here are necessarily available for all MLSs. Now, just click the back button at the top left of the page to navigate to the map, where we have even more helpful features for you to use. To find properties via the map, just click on a parcel to view a pop-up containing snapshot information about the property. From here, you can also quickly zoom into the property, measure the parcel dimensions, link back into your listing platform using Realist's reverse link feature, or view listing photos. You can close the pop-up by clicking on the X at the top right. The map tools at the top allow you to draw shapes and only find properties within those shapes, show geographical boundaries, such as cities and zip codes, even school districts. You can also display layers on the map that indicate where homes of various types are, pinpoint exactly where homes in foreclosure are, or locate homes by their listing status. Use the Trends tool to show where more homes are selling, or where some sale prices are higher or lower. Points of interest, like schools, restaurants, and medical facilities, can also be shown on the map. While driving directions, a measurement tool, and an annotation tool round out the rest of the tools available via the map. Whether creating searches, navigating reports, searching via the map, or exporting data, the simple-to-navigate and highly customizable Realist interface makes getting all the information you need as quickly as possible as easy as can be. Please check out some of our other videos for a more in-depth look into some of the features we just covered.